Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob. This is a how-to video for changing out the voltage regulator on a 79 Bronco. This applies to all Ford vehicles. Now the regulator is external, unlike a lot of the new alternators. So this is for a 3-wire alternator and it goes to the regulator. This is about a $24 to $30 part, and I've included the link for it in the description below. So make sure to click on that and check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow along for more videos. Ideally, your voltage should be running around 13.5. Now, if you're running like 15 or 16 like we were, that's a sure sign that the regulator has gone bad and is overcharging the system. That's not good because you literally could melt or burn up your battery or potentially some of the other wiring because of that. We just installed our vintage air AC unit and a new stereo head unit in here, and I don't want to fry any electronics. I've seen them flicker a few times. Today, we'll be swapping that out. All right, let's get into it.
Voltage regulator is bad.
First thing I'm doing is disconnecting the negative from the battery. There shouldn't be any power draw, but this is just a precaution of mine.
Squeeze the outside clips on the plug and pull the plug out. I'm using a pick and hook set to help pull the plug.
Okay, now that we got them swapped out, we're gonna wanna start the Bronco up and test our voltage again. You wanna see what it is at idle, and also after driving it around, you wanna check it as well. It should be running around 13.5 to 14. Now, if you're running like 15 to 16 like I was, this could very well be the part that is causing that problem. For externally regulated alternators, it's a very cheap, affordable way to swap it out and see if this is your problem. So now that I got it put back together, got my battery hooked back up, I'm gonna go ahead and start it up and test it and see where the voltage is at and take it for a little test drive.
Nice. Well, we fixed it.
Thanks for watching my how-to video. If you enjoyed it, smash down the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Also, if you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. Thanks for watching.